tempo per un'altra parola catalogesa. Yes, I've been extremely busy realizing my 30-year-old dream to have an ice cream shop. And this is why I haven't been posting often or doing any videos, because I've been very busy. But I'm back for more Sicilian words for you to learn. And today's word is putia. What does putia mean? It means store or convenience store, corner store. In Italian we say magazzino, but in Catalogese si dice putia. It's a little convenience store that, you know, it's down the street or up the street or wherever you are. So that's the word. Putia means corner store or convenience store. And in Italian we say magazzino. Have yourselves a beautiful day. I wish you lots of happiness, peace, and serenity. And I also want to thank you for following me on Instagram, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't done it already, please do so. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!